Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that often block updates. First, confirm a working Wi-Fi or cellular connection and test a web page. Unstable network stall downloads. Once done, restart your device and reopen the App Store because a reboot clears transient errors. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that date/time are accurate. Mismatched time can prevent server auth. Also check available storage and whether the system itself needs an update before app installs proceed. Next, focus on the middle steps that resolve persistent failures. Force quit the App Store and clear its cache or app data so stalled download records are removed. This lets the store reindex available updates. If you still see errors, reset network settings to remove corrupted DNS or proxy entries, but note this forgets saved Wi-Fi. Then inspect queued updates, app permissions, and your payment method, because billing or authorization blocks can stop updates from starting. To finish, perform decisive actions that restore updatability. If only one app fails, delete it and reinstall the latest version. This avoids stuck update states. Make sure the device OS meets the app's minimum requirements and install the system update if needed. If issues persist across apps, consider a full backup and system restore as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: capture error messages or screenshots and include them when contacting support, because precise logs speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.